The first of them is the Sri Lankan Chamod Yodasin 10.0 for this morning in the heats. The next of them is Saif Arad Abdul of Iraq. He had 10.63. Going to miss, of course, Animesh Kujur. Following him is Harsh Raut, Maharashtra, and then with him Mohammad Asim of Malaysia, 10.48 this morning. The Philippines getting or sneaking in out here with Lopena Enfuri. He's followed by the local boy Lalu Prasad boy, the Lisa boy, and that's how the noise goes up there. 10.61 this morning. The next of them, the Malaysian Danish Iftikhar Muhammad, 10.64 in the heats this morning. He's drawn in lane number 8, and lane number 9 is Ragul Kumar from Tamil Nadu, 10.65. And we will, of course, come back to the 100 meters, which is slated in 5 minutes from now. But all eyes, Jeff, would surely be there.
Yes, I mean, it was exciting.
Javelin throwers are taking all the attention away.
3 throws left in round 5.
5:35. We are now at 5:42. It's exactly 8 minutes that the 100 meters were on their blocks, but isn't over so far. A reminder, Chamod in 2, Saif in 3, Harsh in 4, Mohammad in 5, Lopena in 6, Lalu in 7, Danish in 8, Ragul in 9. Yes, finally they got off there. Look at the center of the pack out there. That's lane number 4. It is Harsh. Harsh is going strong, but we got a surprise coming up there. Lane 5, I suspect Mohammad Asim of Malaysia came up with a sizzler, Jeff, I thought, towards the end.
Yeah, his pickup was tremendous there. And what temperament shown by all of these athletes, because they'll not get those sort of circumstances again. As he hurt himself, it looks like he's clutching at his groin there. He's wearing long tights in 30-degree heat, so I think he's twanged something, and he didn't realise it until after the finish line, so I don't think it affected his race at all. But that was a long time coming, that race. 10:34 the winning time.
So yes, Mohammad Azim of Malaysia 10.35, with Chamod the Sri Lankan 10.43, and the Malaysian again Danish Iftikhar 10.50. No Indian